Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have a small haul from Hobby Lobby. I have a sort of medium sized haul from Dollar Tree. I have a Peachy cheap deal. Okay, so they have a lot. I'm talking about Dollar Tree. They have a lot of graduation stuff, which is so cute. And some of it actually, like this little hat right here, I got that for $1 from the Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby has the same thing, but it doesn't say grad right here, and it doesn't have this little tassel, and it's like 3 or 4 times higher, and which is crazy, but it's the exact same thing, but it didn't have this on it and didn't have this little tassel. And I got this from the Dollar Tree, but they have a lot of things that are comparable at Hobby Lobby that are like I said 3 or 4 times higher, which a lot of this Independence Day stuff, there were things that look almost the same. So anyway, Dollar Tree has really stepped up their game in my opinion. Okay, so I picked this up and then I'm gonna show you what I got from Hobby Lobby, this box right here, because I want to put my stuff in there. So um this comes from Dollar Tree. This comes from Hobby Lobby. Now, I didn't see anything in the Dollar Tree that looked anything like this that I could put my stuff in. So I went over to Hobby Lobby and picked this up. So this was like $4 and something. And I got it. So anything that says the spring shop is 40% off. Well, it was last week. So today is Sunday. So it probably is going to be the same. But it was 40% off. So I picked that up and then I am going to go ahead and put my stuff in the box. So we got that from the Dollar Tree. Let's see. So we talked about this. Got that from the Dollar Tree. Thought that was super cute. I have a little cousin that is graduating. Oh, and then we got this from the Dollar Tree. Look at how cute that is. And that was $1. That was supposedly a keychain. Let's see. I think there were other things, but I'll put it in there as we go. So let's finish the Dollar Tree haul. So I have a new little Cricut, the little Cricut Joy. So I wanted to try to do some things with it. And then with his graduation coming up, I thought I did something similar with a hot cocoa bar where I used white ink and I used stamped images and it came out really cute. So I used the white ink and then I used the heat gun to set it, and I didn't have to worry about it smearing. So I'm gonna look at my graduation images and I'm gonna see if I can come up with a little sign. So that's what I wanted to do with that, and then I got another one just in case I mess up, or and then I wanna maybe I want to do two. I don't know. So I picked those up for that. And then I thought this was cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. But you can paint it and, do stuff with that. Maybe put vinyl on it or maybe just, have because I have some chalkboard paint. That would be cute. I don't know. I just thought I picked this up. And then this tote bag was $1. This was at Dollar Tree. They had two of these. I just picked up one because I thought maybe I would put my niece's name on the back of it. And I have two nieces. I should have got two. But anyway, I didn't know if it would come out cute, even if I have this color green as a vinyl. But anyway, I thought that I would maybe I just put both their names on this one. So I was just thinking, because it says life is in my favorite adventure. We're going to go on a trip next month. And I thought I'd make a little bag. Anyway, so that's what I thought I'd do with that. And let's see, is there any more? Well, okay. So, and then the 4th of July stuff, a lot of it is really comparable to what they have at Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree, all of this stuff I got from Dollar Tree, but then there is a lot of it, like this little truck. It looks almost the same as the truck in Hobby Lobby. It's a little bit different, but it's comparable. So anyway, um, so I picked these up at Dollar Tree. I wasn't sure if I had this gray one before because I know that I have a chalk marker from Dollar Tree, but I didn't remember what color. So I went ahead and picked this up just in case. And then this is still going on the graduation stuff. And so I picked this up to make a little tag. And then I picked this up. I thought I would. He is graduating fourth in his class, which is awesome. So I thought that I would make some kind of little personalized um, cozy about that. So we'll see how that turns out. And I picked this up just because I thought it was, I really like this color blue. And so I thought that I would make something with that. But that's for myself. And let's see. So 4th of July, I know it's 2 months away, but I thought that this was really cute. I didn't want this to get away, so I went ahead and picked this up. And then I thought this was super cute. I was excited to see the 4th of July stuff. I thought that they really stepped up their game this year. So I got a couple of these. Where are the other ones? Anyway, I got a couple of those, and then we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's see. We got some napkins. See, these are really, I think that these look like really good quality. Like, I would have expected to see this in Walmart, not Dollar Tree. But these plates are really cute. And then this bucket, put drinks or something in. So I thought these were really cute things. So that's what I picked up. And then we're going on a trip next month to Orlando, and you have to have ponchos. So it's 5 of us. So I figure I'll probably get another. Thinking about it, I was like, I probably need to get more, so we won't have to worry about, you know, uh, I don't know. If it rains, we use it, and then we might throw them away or something. But anyway, I went ahead and picked up these, and I picked up these, and I'm curious to see how they match up to the ones that I actually have from Cricut, because these look pretty good. So let's see. Now this is actually Cricut's brand, and this looks like similar. Let's see. Now I have a little notch here. That's interesting. That's actually handy. Okay, and then seems pretty sturdy. Seems like the same kind of quality. Yeah. So I picked this up. Look at the tips look the same. So I picked those up from Dollar Tree. And then this one, I don't have the one from Cricut right in front of me, so I'm not going to compare that, but it looks pretty good. I went to Dollar Tree to see if I could find the faux leather stuff that everybody's been finding, but that's my third Dollar Tree and I couldn't find it. But let's see. So I ended up going to Hobby Lobby. I wanted to look for some kind of little storage thing for my markers, but I couldn't find anything in there. But I did go to the Crafting Owl, of course, and so they had these 50% off. Everything that says the Paper Studio is 50%, was last week, was 50% off. And what was a little confusing was that they had this brand. Now they had it all on the same end cap. They had the sign that says Paper Studio 50% off, which the mats are Paper Studio that are comparable to Cricut, but the tools is a different brand. It's called something like Paper Oh Joy or something, some other kind of name that they made up for their own products. but it is not 50% off. And we don't have the 40% coupon anymore. So, and it's the exact same price as as the Cricut stuff. So I guess they're going to rotate those. Maybe they're gonna be 1 week 40% off or something like that. I don't know. But I noticed that Hobby Lobby. I mean, y'all have probably been talking about this or whatever. I just haven't seen a lot of chatter about it, but I noticed that they're almost turning everything to their own brand of stuff. Like one of the end caps used to always be the Happy Planner. They have changed it and it's their products. Now they do still have Happy Planner, but it's in the back. Um, so and then they have their brand of products where the Happy Planner used to be. And that's just in my store. But anyway, that was just my thoughts on that. So I picked up their brand, which I mean, I'm not gonna buy Cricut brand probably hardly ever, since you don't have, well, Cricut is too high. So I'm gonna try this and see how it works, because if it's not good quality, then I'll just wait on Joann's to mark down Cricut. All right. So, and then I picked this up. I thought this was really cute. And then I am going to use this sentiment right here. And I picked this up just to kind of play around with it. I didn't have anything special in mind. I'm just going to pick that up. And then I picked this up. I thought this was interesting. There was only one of these left. So I thought I'd pick that up and try it. They had some that was clear sticker paper, but it was already open. There was only one pack left and it was already open, so I didn't know if there were pieces missing or something. So I didn't pick that up. And let's see. Okay, so then the only other thing I got, this was a Peachy cheap deal. I've had this before, but I thought it was super pretty, so I went ahead and picked it up again. Oh, and I had one Studio Calico stamp set. They gave me this note. Either this is a new one or this. They sent me a notice that this was back in stock. I can never remember which one I responded to, but I thought that this was really cute, and I just had to have it, so I picked that up. That Studio Calico. It was regular price, but I thought it was super cute. And this, I've had this before, and I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with the stamp set, but I thought this was super cute. I love this line. And so now I have two of these, and I picked this up. And you know how you're hesitant to do something with something when you think is just super cute? Or maybe that's just me. And you're like, I don't want to mess it up, and then you end up never using it. So, when you have two, you don't have that problem. And that. And I wonder, with this one, I do have a laminating machine. I wonder if I could put foil on some of this. I don't know. That's just a thought. Oh, and I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. This is just random. I thought they were really pretty. And they're on the spring collection, so I got 40% off of those. All right. That is it. That's all I had to share. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.